A professor of nematology, Professor Olabiyi, says sustainable food security can be attained through the use of biological pesticides. He made the disclosure while delivering the 45th inaugural lecture of Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, Obomoso, titled Managing the Farmer's Hidden Enemy for Sustainable Food Security.
I conclude this lecture by reporting that sustainable food security can only be attained through the use of biological pesticides that are ecologically friendly and biodegradable with no chemical residue leading to safe to eat food, mass development biological pesticides and making it available for farmers is their main to disease management and sustainable food security in Nigeria.
He called on the federal government to establish biological pesticide production industries to promote safe-to-eat foods.
I wish federal government establishes biological pesticide production industries that can produce adequate and required biological pesticides such as industry which will provide jobs for the youth, aside from the fact that the teeming population will have rights to the eating of the safe to eat food. A food that is free from synthetic chemical residue. The presence of farmers killing enemy is inevitable. They are present everywhere and all year round. Sustainable management of this disease, causing of disease, are our best option.
My target is that I want to produce that biological nematicide for farmers in Nigeria. I am almost at the point of patenting those products, so that the farmers can get to the shop and buy it, farmer-friendly shop, that they can buy it for their farm. And at the moment, I have supplied so many farmers nationwide, even in the north, in the east, in the west, and they have used it effectively, and they have given me very good report that it is good, and we can use it to replace the synthetic nematicide or synthetic chemicals on the field.
Olabiyi called for support to set up an industry for the production of biological nematicide for farmers in Nigeria.